Hello, Cricketers, and welcome to Cricketing with Delonda. It's me again, Delonda, and thank you so much for joining me today. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to do print then cut stickers. We are getting very, very close to being in the season of gift giving. And if you are going to be giving a gift, or if you have a small business, you definitely want to do something on your package to say thank you to the person who's made a purchase from you, or to say, hello to someone if you're sending a gift to them. This is what my print then cut stickers look like. I used a bundle that I purchased from Design Bundles. I will show you how to get them printed and cut and put on to your packaging, and give your gift that extra little boost. So without further ado, let's look at the materials that you will need to create stickers just like these. Okay, the materials that I used to complete this project, I used vinyl sticker paper. I used the matte version of it. There is a glossy version. I'm using the matte for this one. I'm also using my Cricut, my green standard grip matte, and I'll be connected to my Cricut Explore Air 2. And I'm using my desk jet printer. Is a Canon MX470, is an old printer. And I'm using a design that I purchased from Design Bundles, and this is what it looks like when it's printed out. So I already have mine printed out, and my paper is kind of rolled up, but when I do get ready to put my paper on my mat, I'm going to put it on the mat face up like this, and I won't mirror, but we'll get into that in a few minutes. Okay, so this is the bundle that I purchased from Design Bundles. In this bundle, it is called Fall Small Business and Packaging Sticker Bundle. Right now, the price of it is $3.85. You can tell I've already purchased this one myself. And it comes with 12 printable designs. And this is the bundle that I will show you how to use. It also just gives you some ideas for how to use this if you are planning to purchase this and do something similar to this. Design space, and I am connected to my Cricut Explore Air 2. And the first thing that I'll do is go ahead and I'll go to shapes, and I will select a square. And right now the view on my screen is at 100%. I'll keep it there until I start to upload the designs I'm going to use. Now I know that when I'm doing a basic cut or print then cut, Cricut Design Space allows 6.75 by 9.25. So I'm going to go ahead and unlock this square, and I'm going to change the width to 6.75, and I'm going to change the height to 9.25. Okay, so I know that everything that I'm going to use, all of the stickers that I'm going to use from that bundle, have to be able to fit in this box. So let me minimize the view a little bit on my screen. I will change the color of this square. I'll just change it to white. No reason behind it. Just because if this was going, it was going to print on white paper anyway. So my screen might as well look like what I'm going to be using. All right, so now I will get the files uploaded that I am going to use from the bundle that I shared with you in Design Bundles. So the first one that I'm using is the one that says, well, I'm actually using all of these. So I can upload all of them at one time. I'm just holding my shift key. That's all I'm doing. And I'm going to click insert images. Okay, it's going to come in big, and it's going to look kind of messy. And it may take a minute or so. And you can see that it's thinking about it. See that green bar scrolling across the top of my screen. Okay, and while it's thinking about it, I'm bring my view down a little bit. So right now my view is on 50%. Okay, so it did exactly what I thought it would do. Now what I'll start to do is separate these from each other. So like I'll take this one, and bring it down. I'll take, each one, and I'll just bring them all down, because I know that they will all need to be able to fit inside the space that Cricut Design Space will allow. Some of these are duplicates because I just like them more than the others. And so, you know, if you purchase this bundle, you know, you just do it the way you see fit, or the way that works best for you. I might have to go back because I don't see the one that there's one more that I know I wanted. Oh, let me go to view all, because there's one that I don't see. This one right here. Okay, hello, gorgeous. All right, and special delivery. See, I have that one on there twice. And you know, you don't want, there is an offset behind each one of these stickers, and you want to make sure that they are not touching each other. So just be very careful about that. I want to duplicate this one and put it in there one more time. Okay. And I think that's how I want this to go. Make this a little bit bigger. Scoot that over. Okay. And yeah, this is how I want this to print. Okay. So once I have them all exactly where I want them, now I can, and I'm going to make sure that, you know, they're all in this box and I know they are safe to print. I don't have any, you know, messages over here in my layers panel. I know that I also don't need to print that rectangle. It was just there to give me a template. So I'm going to turn that off. All right. And then I will select over all of this. Let me make this a little bit bigger so you can see what I've done. Okay, and I will attach these, and I can click make it. Okay, when it comes up for me to do the print then cut, I will not mirror this. I'm not using any heat at all. And I will send this to my printer. So I want to click continue. It's going to ask me to send it to the printer. I will do that. Okay. I did not turn the ad bleed off. I don't need to turn it off. My Cricut will cut this. And I'm not going to be using my sublimation printer for this. I'm using a regular Canon. It says it right here, the Canon MX470 series printer. I did turn on use system dialog because I want to double check my printer settings. I'm going to click print. Alrighty, I will choose the Canon MX470 printer and I will click preferences. I keep it on standard printing, plain paper. I'm not using plain paper. I'm using photo paper, and this one is matte photo paper, but I do want the print quality to be high. And then I will click OK, and I will click print. Okay, my design has been printed out. I am going to put it face up on my green standard grip mat. And I want to make sure that it is as straight as I can get it. Okay. This is not sublimation. This is just basic print, then cut. Okay, so I have it face up on my mat, and I will let my Cricut Explore Air 2 get these stickers cut out for me. Okay, so hopefully you were able to follow along with the process of getting your stickers cut out. Let me tell you why this is so important. So I recently received a package in the mail, and I did order from a small business. And when I got the package, I noticed, you didn't see my address, but I noticed that it said, there was a sticker on here, and it just says, "Thank you for supporting my small business." There is a sticker that came on this, in this bundle, that is very similar to it. It says, "Thank you for shopping small." But there are 12 different designs in this bundle, and I just printed out some of them. I didn't print all 12. I think I printed 10, and I just duplicated the ones that I really like. But I can show you how to use them. So the other day I did a tutorial where I made this mug, and if I was into sales and I was going to sell this mug, you know, I would get some bubble wrap and I would put it in a package. If you are using Cricut mugs, if you buy the two count, or the box that comes with two, they come with a box. So, you know, you could put your mug in a box, have your stickers already printed out. I'm just going to flip my mat over and take the excess away from the mat. So one of my stickers is still on here. And this one is perfect. I'll use this one. So this one just says, "Thanks a latte," and it's so cute. So if I was, you know, if I wanted to use this sticker to go on this box, and hopefully I can peel it off. I haven't been doing well with these nails. But let's see. Let's see if I can peel it off. And if I can't, I'll just have to use one from the mat. And hopefully you don't have this issue. Now I'm determined because it's being testy. Okay. So this is one of the stickers, and if I was, you know, into sales, and I might just want to just put a sticker on there to say, "Look how cute that is," right? So that's one option. Another thing that I made just the other day was I made this shirt, and I will put links to these tutorials down in the description below because y'all haven't been watching those. But if I was into sales and I was going to sell this shirt, you know, even when I'm not selling, you know, shirts, because I'm not into sales like that just yet, I just have not, you know, decided to go that route. Even if I'm giving a shirt as a gift, I still put it in a bag. I don't just say, "Here's your shirt." I purchased these bags on Amazon. I think they came like either 50 or 100 in a package. I'll put a link down in the description below for these. But if I was going to be making a shirt as a gift for someone, y'all, I'm not doing well with this sticker stuff. These bags are perfect. They're actually called t-shirt bags, and they're different, you know, size options. So I could, you know, put in the bag like this, and I might use the one that says, "Get ready to fall in love with your order." This one says, "Thankful for your order." I could just, you know, use the one that says "Thanks" on this truck. It's the one that looks like this. Okay, let me try to do better with my peeling abilities. This one is not going to give me much trouble. Okay, and I can just put it right here at the top of the bag, or, you know, I have options, right? So just wanted you to see what the stickers look like, and just different ways you could use them if you're in, you know, if you're in business. Even if you're not in business and you're just making things to give as gifts, we are getting ready to be in the gift giving season. And this is a good way to get started with print then cut. And it's a good way to get started with, you know, just saying thank you to your customers. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Turn on the bell for notifications because I do upload new content every Tuesday and Friday. This channel is, I think it's kind of aimed at, helping the Cricut beginners because I'm still a beginner myself. I will do some projects that require a little bit more knowledge, but I think for the next few weeks or so, I will be focusing on beginner projects. Thank you so much for joining me today, and thanks for watching. Bye.